1. Make sure your face is clean. Always take your makeup off before you go to bed, but you will need to wash your face again before reapplication. Removing the oils and dirt that have built up will make applying your makeup easier and will prevent blemishes. Wet your face with warm water. Gently scrub with your hands. Pat your face dry with a washcloth. 2. Apply sunscreen. If you use sunscreen, it should always go on before any other skin products. Allow it to soak in for a few minutes before moving on. You can skip this step if you aren't going to be outside for long. However, dermatologists recommend a daily application of SPF 30 or above to keep your skin healthy and looking its best. 3. Moisturize your face. Moisturizer is especially important if you have dry, irritated skin. Massage a small dollop onto your cheeks and forehead. Wait a minute or two for it to soak in. Or try a tinted moisturizer to cut your foundation time in half. 4. Add primer. You can skip this step if you like. Spread a pea-sized bit of makeup primer evenly spread all over your face. Wait a few minutes before applying makeup. Primer evens out your skin, making makeup easier to apply. It also helps your makeup last longer and resist smudging. Check out the link description below.